Hi everyone, my name is Lois, and in this short video, I will explain ChatGPT Search. ChatGPT Search is a capability that combines ChatGPT's interface with real-time information from the web. And what this does is it delivers quick, accurate, well-sourced answers and visuals. ChatGPT Search simplifies finding information online. Instead of you running multiple searches, you can have a straightforward conversation with ChatGPT. ChatGPT goes away and does the hard work for you by gathering information from the web, refining the answers, and providing links to trusted sources. We know that teams are already using ChatGPT and using ChatGPT for research, content creation, data analysis, and strategy. With the search capability, these teams can now access real-time information to enhance these tasks. Let's take a look at some of the key applications. For market research, ChatGPT Search can summarize and aggregate links to top growth opportunities. For example, you might ask, what are the AI healthcare trends for 2024? For targeted research, PR teams can find headlines really quickly by asking, what's the latest news on X? Trend analysis, ChatGPT helps track industry trends. Marketing teams, for example, might ask, what are popular tools in X category? What we're going to do now is we're going to jump into ChatGPT and I'm going to highlight a live example. The first thing I'm going to do is add in my prompt. And in this prompt, I'm going to ask, I'm organizing an offsite for a team of 40 and looking for location recommendations close to San Francisco. Ideally, the venue would offer overnight accommodation for everyone, and I need a space that supports group activities. Can you suggest some options in a map view? To trigger the search capability, I am going to turn on Search the Web. This is going to be highlighted in blue. And when we send that across, you'll notice that ChatGPT starts searching the web. Very quickly, we get a response back, and ChatGPT has aggregated the information into this map view. What we can do is we can zoom in and out, and we can see that the response identifies 3 possible locations within 1.5 hours of San Francisco. We can see Rosewood Sandhill, and I can click through to Mountain Terrace, and then number 3 is populated here. The other thing that's great about search is we can check out the sources. So if I click on the sources icon, all of the web pages that were searched to aggregate this information are on the right-hand side. That's going to allow me to explore some of this information more deeply if I need to. What I can also do is ask a follow-up question. I can ask ChatGPT which gets the best reviews. Let's send this across. Again, it's going to identify it's searching the web. And then it's pulled back some different suggestions here, but it's identified a Cavallo Point Lodge and says that this specific location stands out as exceptional for accommodations and facilities. I can actually go and explore this. We have a link to TripAdvisor, so that's going to be really helpful. What I can do is if I want to explore that more deeply, I can actually ask ChatGPT to pull in the phone number for Cavallo Point and maybe even give me an email address. Great, and we have the phone number that we need. Another example of using search is I can ask for some suggestions on a specific topic. Keeping in line with the on-site example, in this same thread, I'm going to ask additional request. I'm saying here I need to present a team strategy at this offsite. Can you search for the most engaging ways to do this in person without relying on text-heavy slides? Again, ChatGPT is searching the web and pulling in a series of bullet points to identify how can I achieve this goal. We can see that to make this on-site more engaging for the team, I need to lean on some storytelling, creative aids, analogies and anecdotes, and identify a clear structure. I'm going to be really well prepared for this on-site. I can organize the on-site, I can book, I can search, I can research. This is going to really help specific workflows. In addition to searching the web, ChatGPT now also allows you to search through your chat history. If we navigate to the magnifying glass in the top left-hand corner, what we can do is run a keyword search to find a chat in our history. For example, if I type in large language models, you can see there that I've had a previous chat from today on that specific topic. When you click on it, it's going to take you directly back in that chat. So that's going to solve for the problem where you know that you've spoken to ChatGPT about something, but you just can't find it.